Good morning, children. Today we will start chapter 5 Division. In this chapter, we will understand equal sharing, equal grouping, understand division by repeated subtraction, understand the properties of division and divided zero by a number, and all these things. First, I will explain you what do you mean by division. Division means equal grouping or sharing. Means we can divide in a equal groups or sharing. The symbol for the division is this. Symbol for division is this. Now we divide. Division is a repeated subtraction. If we want to divide in a groups, then we have to give, for example, we have 24 chocolates. If we have 24 chocolates and we want to give 12 chocolates to our friend. If we give 12 chocolate to our friend, it means we subtract. Then how many chocolates left? 12. Then again 12 we give to our another friend. Then we subtract 12 minus 12, 0. It means 24 chocolates we divided into how many groups? 12 I have given, then 2 groups. 24 chocolates we can divide 2 friends if we will give 12. Now terms in a division. The number is divided is called dividend. The number by which we divide is called divisor. The answer of a division is called quotient. Now continue properties of division. In this, first, division by 1. Example, 6 divided by 1 is equal to 6. 25 divided by 1 is equal to 25. Now division by a number itself. Then division by a number itself. It means 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. 28 divided by 1 is equal to 1. Then third property, dividing 0 by a number. If we divide a 0 with any number, we will get the 0. Now I will explain you the long division method. In this method, first I want to explain you long division method by without remainder and with remainder. Without remainder, here, look here, dividend. I have explained the number which divided is called dividend and the number by which dividing divisor. Answer is quotient. Then when no remainder 0, it means without remainder divisor. Another with remainder, you will get the remainder. Example, 12 divided by 4 means 4, 3 times 12, 0 means no remainder. Now another example, 47 divided by 7. If you divide by 7, how many times it will go? 6 times 42. 5 as a remainder. Let's continue division and multiplication. There are 5 shelves with 4 books on each shelf. Total number of books 5, shelves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shelves and 4 books is equal to 20. In division fact, we can write 20 total books divided by 5 is equal to 4. Another way, 20 books divided by 4 then is equal to 5. For these two division, we write multiplication 4 of 5. 5 into 4 is equal to 20. If division is given, then we can write for multiplication this way. If 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4 is given, for multiplication we will write 4 into 5 is equal to 20, 5 into 4 is equal to 20. If multiplication is given, then we write division fact 35 divided by 5 is equal to 7. 35 divided by 7 is equal to 5. Checking of division. If we divide any number, for example, 47 divided by 5, 9 times 45 is equal to 2. We can check the answer. We quotient, answer is a quotient, multiply divisor plus remainder is equal to dividend. Quotient for Q, for divisor D plus remainder is equal to dividend. Now check this division is correct or not. Check. Quotient how much? 9. Divisor 5. Remainder 2. Then we 9 5s are 45 plus 2 is equal to 47. We got the 47 and dividend also is 47. Both are equal, so the answer is correct. This way we can find out the division. Answer is correct. Now dividing tens digit by divisor. 10 digit means 2 digit. 75 number divided by 2. 75 divided by 2. First we see the first number 7. 2 3 are 6 minus 1. Then bring down 5. It becomes 15. Then 2 7 times 2 7s are 14. 1 is a remainder. This way we can divide. Now dividing 3-digit number. In 3-digit number 567 divided by 9. 9. First 5 is less than 9. We take 2-digit number 56 as a 56. 9 6 times 54 minus 2. You have to write the quotient above the 6 tens place and bring down 7, become 27. 9 3s are 27. 0. Now same way you can do the division of 4-digit number. Here 4873 divided by 5. 5 as a divisor. 4875 divided by 5. First you take 2 number 48 and you divide. How many times it will go? 5 9 times. 5 9s are 45 minus 3. Then 7 carried down. Then 5 7s are 35 minus 2. Then 5 25. 5 5s are 25. This way you do the Exercise 5.3.